Hello everybody, and welcome back to our video course. Today we are going to test our plugin. For this reason, to each method we're going to execute, we need to add command method line. That is what we need to type in AutoCAD in order to start our plugin. Then we have to build our solution and press Start button. The AutoCAD starts, and let's create a test file with some pipes just to test the work of our plugin. Now, let's load our DLL file and text the command method. Okay, it seems that there is something wrong. Let's go back to Visual Studio and execute code row by row. And let's find a mistake. Press F10 in order to jump to the next row. Okay, it seems that method is Weld is not working correct. It actually should return true. Let's point the mark also here and check what we have here. Yes, it returns false instead of true. I can see now. We missed one letter in joint type. It is the name of the column in database, so it should match. Let's find if somewhere else we have also such definition and correct there as well. Good. Let's test our program again. Still doesn't work. So let's go back to Visual Studio again, and again row by row. Good. Now we can see that as Weld doesn't work, because in all the properties of the ports we have null. Aha! I can see now. We had to use connector iterator ID if we wanted to get connected part. Let's fix it. Good. So this method is going to work. Let's test another one then. To assign Weld numbers. Okay, so some numbers we have. Let's check the data manager to check how is it ordered. Actually, it was not sorted very well due to the fact that we use string format for our diameter and wall thickness properties. Let's fix it. Here, when we define a sorted list, let's convert string to double. Then we will compare numbers instead of strings. And here we have also wrong. We need to step up with initial weld number first. Very well. Let's rebuild our solution and try again. Good. So now our plugin works properly. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this will help you to save a bit of your time.